So today we are going to talk about the TestNG groups overview. So scenario, you don't want to run all the tests at every time. So just specify the sets like smoke, regression or sanity. So definition, groups in the TestNG allow you to categorize the test in logical sets like example smoke and regression. So enabling the selective execution based on your requirements. Analogy like organizing a library. So fiction, non-fiction, magazines, you can choose which section to explore and based on your interest. So real-time example, you want to run only the smoke test before a production deployment to ensure that most critical functionality works as expected. So we can write the code snippet like @test groups equals to smoke and public void login test. @test groups equals to regression public void byproduct test. So this is a code snippet, and if you consider the conditions like to execute specific groups, you must mention those groups in the testng.xml configuration file, so allowing for the tailored test execution. And usage facilitates selective execution, and which can significantly save time in large test suites and helping team focus on relevant tests for the different stages of development. So real-time testing data, smoke group consists of 20 fast checks to ensure the critical path functionality. Regression group may include 500 deep checks to verify the comprehensive application behavior. And shortcuts, you can group multiple tests at once using the curly braces syntax to include several groups. For example, @test groups equals to smoke and sanity is effective for the test belonging to the multiple categories. So tips and tricks. Use groups equals to smoke and sanity for the test categorized under the both and to ensure the broad coverage without redundancy. So memory trick, groups equals to library sections helps organize the test effectively and making it easier to locate and execute the specific sets as needed. So conclusion, so utilizing the groups allow you to run only the what matters when it matters, optimizing the test efficiency and focus. So interview tip, so if asked how do you run only the smoke test in TestNG, you can answer like use groups in the @test annotation to specify the which test to execute.